Hello children, how are you? I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Now I am going to continue chapter 1, place value. The previous video we saw forming of 4-digit numbers, reading of 4-digit number, place value of each digit in a number and expanded form. If you have any doubt in this topic, kindly review the second video, then come to third video. In this video, you are going to see comparing numbers and finding biggest and smallest numbers. Let we start comparing numbers. Comparing 4-digit numbers. Suppose you and your friend are playing game. Your friend scored 95 points. Your score is 98 points. So, how do you know who is winner? We need to compare these two. That is, we need to find out which is larger number. We know 98 is bigger than 95. So, you are the winner because you scored more points than your friend. In your daily life, need to compare different numbers and already learn how to compare 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Do you compare bigger numbers? We know these three symbols. This is greater symbol, this is lesser symbol, and this is equal to symbol. This is a hungry alligator always open his mouth wherever he sees bigger number. So, in this case, 8 is bigger than 3. So, the mouth is open towards 8 and this is greater sign. So, greater sign eats up the greater number on its left. So, we use it when we have a bigger or greater number on the left. So, 8 is greater than 3. And the next case, 9 is bigger than 7. So, mouth is open towards 9. What we called less than sign. So, it is eats up the greater number on its right. We use it when we have a greater number on a right. We read it as 7 is less than 9. So, the open mouth is always towards the bigger number. And the next case, we have 4 and 4 on the left as well as the right. So, where will the mouth open? So, the alligator will not decide. So, we can use equal sign when we have equal number. So, equal sign is used between two equal numbers. We say 4 is equal to 4. Comparing number used to find with two different ways. First one is different number of digits. If the number of digit is different, then the number with more digit is greater value. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4-digit number. 2, 3, 4 is 3-digit number. First number 1234, which is 4-digit number. Second one 234, which is 3-digit number. So 4-digit always greater than 3-digit number. Second method, same number of digits. If the number of digit is same, then we start with the comparison of the digits from the left. Compare the digit until we find two digits that are different. Compare then to decide which is smaller or greater number. Example 1. 5678 and 3765. Both are 4-digit numbers. First compare thousands place. The first number thousands place is 5 and the second number of thousands place is 3. So, first number is 5678. Second number is 3765. So first number is greater value. The both number thousands places differ. Example 2, we want to compare these two numbers. 5678, 5 in thousands place, 6 in hundred place, 7 in tens place, 8 in ones place. Second number 5687, 5 in thousands place, 6 in hundred place, 8 in tens place, 7 in ones place. Here we want to compare the thousands place first. Both numbers are thousands place are same. Next we want to compare the hundred place. 100 place also same. Next we want to compare the tens place. Here the tens places differ. First number tens place is 7 and second number tens place is 8 is there. So the second number is bigger than the first number. We are going to use less than symbol here. Therefore 5678 is less than 5687. Example number 3. First number is 3456, 3 in thousand place, 4 in hundred place, 5 in tens place, 6 in ones place. Second number 3456, 3 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, 6 in ones place. Here also we want to compare thousands place, after that hundred place, after that tens place, after that ones place. All the place values are equal in this number. So the both numbers are equal. We are using the equal symbol. Next topic name is biggest and smallest number. Here we want to find out the biggest and smallest number among the given numbers. Example 1. I am taking three numbers: 4534, 3873 and 5379. First we want to compare these three numbers from left hand side to right hand side in the place value chart. Thousands place, after that hundreds place, after that tens place, after that ones place. Here we want to eliminate the smallest number first. Among these three numbers, the thousand place values are: first number is 4000, second number is 3000, third number is 5000. Here the middle number is 3000 is very small. So we are eliminating the second number 3873. Remaining numbers are 4534 and 5379. After that we are comparing these two numbers, can get which one is bigger. Again we want to compare the thousands place. The first number is thousands place is 4 and second number thousands place is 5. So among these two the 5 is bigger number. Therefore 5379 is biggest number. Next we want to find out smallest number among given numbers. The same three number I am taken here also. First we want to eliminate biggest number. Again you are going to arrange in the place value chart. So in this place value chart we have first number 4000, second number 3000 and third number 5000. So here 5000 is bigger number. So I am eliminating the bigger value, that is 5379. The remaining values are 4534 and 3873. Again we want to compare these two numbers. Here first number is 4000 and second number is 3000. Among these two 3000 is lesser. We are selecting that number. Therefore 3873 is smallest number. Dear kids, try this. Pause the video, write the answer. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.